Welcome back to Tech Game Zone, where we talk about all things related to game development, design, and technology. In this video, we're going to share some insights on how to create a successful game development studio, whether you're an aspiring game developer or a seasoned industry professional. There are many lessons to be learned from those who have successfully built game studios from scratch. So, let's jump in and explore what it takes to create a successful game development studio. Part 1. The importance of vision. If you're thinking of starting a game development studio, the first and foremost thing you need is a clear and compelling vision. Your vision should include your goals, your target audience, and what makes your studio unique. A strong vision is important to attract top talent and secure funding, plus it helps differentiate you from the competition. So, before starting, spend time thinking about your vision and communicate it effectively. Part 2. Building the right team. The next crucial aspect is building the right team. You cannot build a great game alone. You need a team of talented individuals who share your vision, have diverse skills, and work well together. It's essential to hire individuals who share your passion and believe in your vision. You want your team to feel like a family and not just a group of coworkers. Building a great team is the key to achieving your goals. Part 3. Securing funding. Game development can be expensive, so securing funding is critical. There are many ways to fund a game studio, such as self-funding, crowdfunding, angel investors, venture capital, and more. Each option has its pros and cons, and it's essential to do your research and choose the one that's right for you. Funding can be a make or break aspect of your game development journey, so be sure to prioritize it. Part 4. Managing risk. Game development is inherently risky. There are many factors that can lead to failure, such as technical issues, market saturation, or unexpected changes in the industry. Thus, it's crucial to have a risk management plan in place. Be adaptable, have contingencies, and keep a healthy cash reserve. The more risks you can mitigate, the more likely you are to succeed in the long run. Part 5. Marketing and promotion. Creating a great game is one thing, but attracting players is another. Marketing and promotion are essential aspects of building a successful game studio. To build buzz and attract players, you need to invest in marketing and promotion. This includes everything from social media to influencer partnerships to press outreach. The more creative and strategic you can be, the better. Part 6. Staying focused and motivated. Finally, it's essential to stay focused and motivated throughout the journey. Game development is a long and challenging process that can quickly drain your energy and morale. Set clear goals, celebrate small wins, and stay motivated through the ups and downs. Remember why you started and stay passionate about your vision. With hard work, persistence, and a bit of luck, you can achieve your dreams of creating a successful game development studio. So there you have it. 6 crucial lessons to keep in mind when building a successful game development studio. From having a clear vision to building the right team, securing funding, managing risks, investing in marketing, and staying motivated, there are many things to consider. Starting a game development studio can be a daunting task, but with the right mindset, strategy, and team, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon on Tech Game Zone.